going to do here is what's called an approach to landing stall, or a power off stall. We're going to simulate what happens when the wing is at such an angle that it no longer produces lift and falls forward. It's basically the airplane stops flying. So it's easily recoverable. We're just going to carve heat at full power and pitch up and recover from that stall. First thing we're going to do is reduce the throttle again, down to about 1500 RPMs. We're going to let the nose fall, let the pitch attitude decrease, so that we're in a descent. Now we're descending at about 500 foot per minute.
Switch traffic, Falcon 106 Tango.
And what that does is simulate on approach to landing. So we're simulating going down to a landing. We're decreasing our altitude. And at some point when we reach the runway, in this case we're simulating that, we're going to reduce the power to idle. So we're all the way to idle. We're going to continue to bring the back pressure, pull back on the yoke, increase the back pressure about up to the horizon. We're going to hear a stall horn, and eventually the plane will stop flying. The nose will fall. We're going to add full power, reduce that back pressure, about 20 degrees of flaps, and we're going to go ahead and climb out of that situation. Notice the airspeed is increasing. We're actually climbing somewhat. We're going to take more flaps out, continuing that climb. When we get to about 70 knots, we're going to bring the flaps all the way up and continue to climb. Fill at full power. When we get to about 2300,